What's up guys, in this video I will show you how to use Roblox easy and quick. So let's do it. So if you don't know how to use and play on Roblox, I will show you step by step. Let's start. So open Roblox and create an account. After creating an account, it's going to take you directly on your homepage. So let's explain first the interface of this application of Roblox. We will go here first on more. You will find like many options, like if you wanna upgrade your Roblox to a premium, here is the marketplace. If you wanna buy Robux or items or clothes for your avatar, here your profile. If you wanna change some profile detail like your name, or sharing your profile link or QR code. Here if you want to add friends, just click on it and search for them from here. Also you can find here communities, and you can also create communities, and you can find Roblox events and your messages here guys. So we click here, you can find inventory. We are not interested on it. If you click here, you can create your own game, but if you are using the the PC version, but on mobile we can't. So right now here you can find gift cards, and here settings. On settings also you can find account information detail, security, everything, payment method. Also if you want to change your notifications and manage your account or delete it. So it's very simple here. So guys, here you can talk with the support of Roblox. Here if you want to switch account, here if you want to log out. So it's very simple. Let's move here to the party. Here you can find any party if you want to join, but for me I don't have any friends, so no friends, no party. So if you click on avatar here, from here guys you can change your character, your avatar, your clothing. It's very simple. And guys, if we back and go to shot, there is like too much shots or too much games. As you see, top trading games, as you see here, 31 or 3 million person are playing this game. So right now here, if you click here, you can change or you can search for a game. Also here in homepage you can find many games. So for us now, we want to learn how to play on Roblox. After searching for the game that we want, just what you have to do, choose the game that you want to play. For me, I will use just a random game here. For example, this one. Click on it, and what you have to do then, it's going to take you to this page. If you click on this third, you can invite some friends. You can also make it on favorite or report the game or share it. So right now we want to play the game. What we should do, just click on this blue button, and right now it's going to take us directly to the game. So as you see, very yeah. So right now we just have to wait until the game, until joining the server. So here what you have to do, just click on play. Click for example easy, for example third person, and as I'm doing, this is the game. And that's all guys. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe. See you next video.